A clampdown on extortion in St. Catherine has coincided with an increase in robberies and break-ins in the police division, and the security forces feel the two are linked. In addition, several wanted men have been arrested during the state of public emergency in the parish. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson report.
It is traditionally one of the country's more troublesome police divisions, St. Catherine North. But now its fortunes have improved. For example, there were 74 murders in the division as at mid-October. At the same stage in 2018, there were 82. The gain started with the imposition of a state of emergency, which Commanding Officer Superintendent Wilfred Campbell said helped them remove several wanted men from the streets.
We would have arrested and charged a whopping 480 persons. Right? That's a record almost. We would have seized 5 firearms along with 467 rounds of ammunition. We executed a number of warrants throughout the division, but what is particularly important is that the wanted persons wanted for murders and shootings, we would have captured 11 of them.
In addition, the police say they continue the squeeze on 2 major gangs operating in the space, and it's helping to reduce extortion. But the knock-on effect is an uptick in robberies and break-ins as gangsters get more desperate. Since January this year, robberies are up 14% in St. Catherine North, and break-ins have increased by 40% when compared to the same period last year.
We would have started to see some increase in property crimes. Because what happens is that once you start curtailing the murders and shootings, then the property crimes are gonna raise their ugly heads on you, right? So you start removing people or controlling the public spaces, and then people are going to start targeting persons, homes, and other places.
Areas such as Linstead, Shelter Rock and Thompson Pen have been experiencing flare-ups in robberies and shootings recently. And the police say they will continue to track down the crime producers. But they need law-abiding residents to help find the targets.
A man known as Kevin McCallum. He's from the Old Road, Beacon Hill district. That's in Thompson Pen there. He's wanted for murder and illegal possession of firearms. Then we'd want you to assist us with a man known as Shamar O'Connor, OC Zoom. He's from the Linstead area. He's wanted for shooting, robbery, and illegal possession of firearms.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.